Hello and welcome to the Music Production Handbook. So in this video I'm going to be looking at a couple of simple things in terms of basic preparation for mixing. So I've been given a session here that was recorded of a band called Junglefish, and the track is called Should Have Flown. So as a starting, I've kind of laid it out so it's all, instead of it being alphabetical as it came in when I imported the audio, I've now got it grouped together in terms of instrumentation. So I've done kick in, kick out. I've got two snare mics here, got snare bottom, got the toms here, got the overheads, and then we've got some closer sort of room mics, and then we've got some further away room mics, bass, guitar, keyboard, and then two vocals. One of the other things I need to have made sure, which it has as well, is that all the channels are named. This is so that I can easily find things. I'm not having to play detective. I know exactly what the different instruments are on each microphone and on each channel. Now there's another thing that I can use to help me, and that's to color coordinate these channels as well. And so all the DAWs, you can do this. So within Logic, I'm going to basically make all my my close drums using the Alt-C or Option key. I'll bring up the color palette here, and so I'm going to make my drums yellow. That's just because, and then I'm going to make the room mics slightly darker yellow. The bass, I think I'm going to make sort of red because it's important. I need to be able to find it. So the guitars, I shall then make green. The keyboard, I shall give it a purple, and the vocals, I shall also give it a red because that's important for me as well. Now you see here, I've managed to change the track colors here in the mixer, but actually on the arrange or main window, they are still remaining blue. So by selecting all of these and then pressing the Option, which is the Alt key, Shift and C, you'll now see that all my channel colors match the mixer. So now it's very quick and easy to locate all the different instruments on the mixer, and it just makes working a lot faster. I can identify the different instruments. And there you go, there's a short tip. Please subscribe and follow, and you can find me on Facebook as well, the LPX, the Music Production Handbook, for more tips and tricks. Cheers.